gentleman. His name is Ryan Brown. He is a San Bernardino native. Woohoo! Welcome, Ryan. He is driving a 1931 Chevy truck, and this truck used to be a dump truck at the Chino Airport. That's pretty interesting. Good luck to you, Ryan. Let's see what you got. Decibels, 120.
Out where the antenna is, he shoots his knob, he burns his knob out there. That guy heard that shit. Yeah, it's the same guy. He shoots the knob out of the antenna? Oh no, I think it's right out in front of the driver's column right there. He'll purge it. He has license plate on low and on engine low.
Yeah. Okay, welcome back, returning Mike Coffey. How you doing, Mike? Okay, Mike is driving a Plymouth Duster. He's got 2005 written on there. I don't know what that means, but he tied last year for the loudest and best sounding, but the judges were Mopar haters. Oh, that's so not true. That is not true. Okay, his paint job is by J.E. Precision. Okay, little shout out to J.E. Okay, good luck, Mike. Let's see what you got this year. Okay, folks, 122, our current new leader. 122 decibels. Thanks for bringing it, Mike. Okay, folks, next up is B.J. Williams. He is from Highland, California. He's got his 1974 Chevy Nova, and he had the car for 8 years. It's got a 350 cubic inch motor, and in the helping hands of my kids, it says that TJ and Brianna, Brian, Caitlin, and William all helped restore this vehicle. Okay, good luck to you, BJ. Let's see what you got. 119 decibels, 119. Give them a hand, you guys. These guys come out here and rev up their motor. Each and every time there's a potential of blowing that motor up, and that car will get towed off the Route 66. So they're risking a lot coming out here, and I know it's hot out there, but show them your love, please. Show them your love. Mr. Bill Lindquist here in his Chevy Camaro, 1969 Chevy Camaro. It's really the passenger that owns the car, and Bill just he drives it to pick up chicks. Okay, yeah, that's right. He admits to it. He drives it to pick up chicks. Okay, well, let's see what your chick mobile can do. All right, let's see. 120 decibels. 120. Good job, Chick Magnet. Okay, this gentleman is Jim DeVogel. He's here from Garden Grove, California in his 1923 Ford T-Bucket. He's a retired gentleman, and I think it says school and work, 700 horsepower. I can't read your writing. Sorry, sir. I'm doing the best I can here. Okay, let's see what you got under the hood. Sure does look impressive. Good luck.
Oh no, what hood? I gotta light it up first. There's no hood on that.
Okay, that was very impressive. Our hoodless, Okay, the decibel meter was 122 decibels, tied for the lead.
A lot of fuel in there, Chief. Put the flame on. Bump started? Yeah, he's got all that fuel in that blower.
Give him a hand, folks. Give him a hand.
Run, 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 run!
Here, we've got some great gifts, prizes to give away. My girls are going to be wandering around, and if you have the correct answer, 1971 Chevy Camaro, and we took 7 years to restore the Camaro since we only had a $100 a month budget. Okay, let's see what you got, Jeff.
There they go. There they go.
Okay, folks, that was 111 decibels. 111. Give them a hand.
What the hell is this? I don't know, what the hell are they doing in here? Remember the Bears thing was getting passed by VW, remember that? You got passed by VW, your car sucked.
Okay, folks, this is John Early. He's got a 1965 Volkswagen notchback.
Maybe. And the horn sucked too.
Okay, his horn does not register on our decibel meter, but let's see what else he's got. It's very rare and never sold in the United States. Okay, so let's see what it sounds like besides the horn.
Where'd they sell them? Over Europe? Yeah. I never seen one over there. That's a bug motor?
Okay, that was 114 decibels. Thanks so much for trying, John. We appreciate you participating.
Sounds pretty good for him. Like you said, we got bugs.
Sounds good for you. Nice motor, nice motor.
Okay, let's welcome Mark Kosick. He is from Yorba Linda, California. He brought with him today a 1970 Chevy Kingswood, and he calls it the Kosick family wagon. It was restored by Mark, and it's obviously still a work in progress, but looks pretty clean. Let's see what you got, Mark.
Oh, they got something on the
118 decibels. Thanks so much, Mark. Chevy Nova Custom, and it's got a 400 small block. And he wrote down here that I've had my Nova for 11 years. I'm here for my mother who passed away last month, and just for you, Mom. Oh, how sad. Okay, good luck, Michael. We wish you the best. Decibels, 120.
Out where the antenna is, he shoots his knob, he perches his knob out there. That guy heard that shit. Yeah, it's the same guy. He shoots the knobs out of the antenna? Oh no, I think it's right out in front of the driver's column right there. He'll purge it. You first see his license plate out low and engine mode? Yeah.
Okay, welcome back, returning Mike Coffey. How you doing, Mike? Okay, Mike is driving a Plymouth Duster. He's got 2005 written on there. I don't know what that means, but he tied last year for the loudest and best sounding, but the judges were Mopar haters. Oh, that's so not true. That is not true. Okay, his paint job is by J.E. Precision. Okay, little shout out to J.E. Okay, good luck, Mike. Let's see what you got this year. Okay, folks, 122, our current new leader. 122 decibels. Thanks for bringing it, Mike. 120 decibels, 120. This gentleman, his name is Ryan Brown. He is a San Bernardino native. Woohoo! Welcome, Ryan. He is driving a 1931 Chevy truck, and this truck used to be a dump truck at the Chino Airport. That's pretty interesting. Good luck to you, Ryan. Let's see what you got. He's got a 1968 Ford Mustang. It's got a 302 and 380 gears, and this is his daily driver.